My name is Yaon Mal Joseph from BS Cream 37. I will discuss and explaining the step-by-step reception procedure of an inmate in BJMP from the gater to the jail warden. The number 1, at the gate or initial screening. Personnel involved here is gate officer duty or duty jail guard. Purpose here is to ensure proper authorization before entry. The steps is the gate officer checks if the escorting police officer have valid commitment documents. Then visual inspection is to ensure there is no contraband items or weapons entering the jail. Then the required documents is the commitment order or mitimus from the court, booking sheets and arrest report, medical certificate from arresting agency. Then the number 2 is booking and documentation. Personnel involved here is duty custodial officer or booking officer. Purpose here is to officially record the inmate's identity and case. Then the steps is the inmate's personal information is record name, age, address, case, etc. Photographs and fingerprint are taken. Personal belongings are listed and secured for safekeeping. The inmate's records folder is created and forwarded to the record sections. The required documents is personal data sheets, booking sheets, inventory of personal effects, commitment order or mitimus. The number 3 naman is medical examination. Personnel involved here is jail nurse or jail medical officer. Purpose here is to check the inmate's physical and mental health before admission. Then the step is the inmate undergoes a medical and physical examination. The inmate is sick or injured treatment or a hospital referral is arranged. The doctor or nurse issues a medical clearance certifying the inmate is fit for confinement. Then the required documents is the medical certificate or medical clearance and health record form. Then the number 4 is the record verification and classification. The personnel involved here is the record officer or classification board. The purpose is to verify legal documents and determine inmate classification. Then the step is the record officer checks the authenticity of the inmate's documents. The classification board evaluates the inmate's background, age, case, type, behavior, health, and etc. The inmate is assigned to an appropriate cell or dormitory, male, female, first-timer, recidivist. Then the required documents naman is the commitment order or court documents, booking records or classification form. Then the number 5 is orientation and turnover. The personnel involved here is custodial officer and reception officer. Purpose is to orient the inmate on jail rules and regulation. The step is the inmate is preferred about jail policies, daily routines, rights, and privilege. The inmates is issued jail uniforms and ID. Personal belongings are kept in storage except allowed items. The inmates is then formally turned over to the assigned cell block. Then the required documents is orientation form, acknowledgement receipt, cell assignment sheet. Then the number 6 is approval and acknowledgement. The personnel involved here is jail warden. The purpose is to confirm official acceptance of the inmate into the jail facility. Then the step is the jail warden reviews all submitted document, then assign the acknowledgement of admission and reception report. The inmates is now officially under the BJMP custody. Then the required document is the reception report signed by the jail warden, complete inmate, the file folder. Then in summary in this topic, This is step-by-step process ensure proper documentation, safety, and order the jail while protecting both the right and the inmate and the integrity of the BJMP.